Okay, assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, now let's proceed with the example for three-dimensional vectors. Okay, the first example we have here. Let the vector A and B be the position vectors of the points A 2, 4, -5 and B 1, 2, 3 respectively. Find the magnitude of AB and A plus B. And then secondly, we want to find the magnitude of A plus B times with the vector B minus A. Alright, and lastly, we want to find the unit vector parallel to A plus B. Okay, let's start with the first one. So given the informations we have is, we have the position vector A is 2, 4, -5, and then the position vector B is 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can also write in the form of IJK if you want. Alright. Okay, next we want to find the magnitude of AB. Okay, so meaning firstly we need to find the vectors of AB. Okay, the vector of AB, okay, it is, remember, it is terminal minus initial, which means you will have it is OB minus OA. Again, the formula is terminal vector minus with initial vector. Alright, okay, then what will be your AB? So your AB will be 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 4 and -5. Then continue, your AB will be 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4 and 3 minus -5. So now we will have AB is -1, -2 and 8. Okay, next we want to find the magnitude of AB. So now what will be the formula? Okay, the magnitude of AB, it will be the square root of, so your x is -1 square plus -2 square plus 8 square. So if you calculate, then you will get the answer is square root of 69. Okay, next we want to find A plus B. Okay, so the vector A plus B, it will be, so what is your A? 2, 4, -5 plus your B is 1, 2, 3. Then you will get it is 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2 and -5 plus 3, which is equals to 3, 6 and -2. So we want to find the magnitude of A plus B. Then we will get it is the square root of 3 square plus 6 square plus -2 square, which is equals to square root of 49 and it is equals to 7. Okay, so this is answer for the first question A. Okay, next we want to find the magnitude of A plus B times with vector B minus A. So we have the value of magnitude A plus B here. Okay, but now we need to find first what is your vector B minus A. Okay, so the vector B minus A, okay, it will be 1, 2, 3 minus with 2, 4, -5, which is equals to your AB, right? So we will get the answer is -1, -2 and 8. Alright, so now you will have the magnitude A plus B, okay, times with your vector B minus A, it will be equals to 7 times with -1, -2 and 8. And when we simplify, we will get the vector is -7, -14 and 56. This is your answer for B. Okay, next for C, we want to find the unit vector parallel to E plus B. Okay, so the keyword that we have here is unit vector. We want to find the unit vector. So since we want to find the unit vector for E plus B, so the formula now will be U hat is vector A plus B divided by the magnitude of A plus B. Alright, so now you will have it is, so what is your A plus B? It is 3, 6 and negative 2. Okay, so divided by your magnitude is 7. So now you will get it is 3 over 7, 6 over 7 and negative 2 over 7. So this is the unit vector that is parallel to the vector A plus B. Okay, let's continue with the second example. We have here find the direction, cosines and the direction angles of the vector from point A 4, 8, negative 3 to the point B negative 1, 6 and 2. Alright, so firstly you need to consider the position vector for each point. Alright, okay, firstly let the vector, let's say let OA is 4, 8 and negative 3. Okay, and OB is negative 1, 6 and 2. Alright, so next step is we need to find the direction, cosine and direction angles of the vector AB. Okay, because we want to find from point A to point B, so we need to find what is your AB. And again, AB is terminal minus initial, right? Terminal minus initial, right? Then it will be the terminal is OB minus OA, which means you will get it is negative 1 minus 4, 6 minus 8 and 2 minus negative 3. So you will get your AB is negative 5, negative 2 and 5. Okay, so next to find the direction we need to find the magnitude first. So what is your magnitude? Okay, the magnitude of AB, we will have the square root of negative 5 square plus negative 2 square plus 5 square, and it will be equals to square root of 54. So make sure please identify whether you can simplify your square root or not. So in this case you can write it as the square root of 9 times 6, right? So 9 is a perfect square, equals to 3 square, right? So when you simplify you will get it is 3 square root of 6. Okay, alright, now we want to find the direction cosine. Okay, so direction cosine. Okay, direction cosine, we have the first one is cos alpha will be x. So what is the x? It is negative 5 divided by 3 over square root 6. Then we have cos beta. So cos beta is using y. The y is negative 2 over 3 square root 6. And lastly we have cos of gamma, which is equals to 5 over 3 square root 6. Okay, so this is for direction cosine. How about the direction angle? Okay, now we will have the direction angle. Okay, so your direction angle will be alpha equals to the cos inverse of negative 5 over square root over 3 square root 6, which is equals to 132.9 degrees. Your beta will be cos inverse of -2/3/6, it will be equals to 105.8 degrees. And lastly, you will get your gamma is cos inverse of 5/3/6, which is equals to 47.1 degrees. So this is for your direction angle. Okay, so this is your answer for these examples. All right, thank you everyone.